We've got to do it effectively, we've got to do it efficiently, and we've got to do it safely, because we're now operating in an environment of ever-shrinking resources. So it's critical that we complete this mission to the same excitement, dedication, and agility that we've done the last 10 years, so we can be ready for whatever's going to come at us.
We are dedication. We are strength. We are reliability. We are success. We are limitless. We are excellence. We are Letterkenny Army Depot, and we are resetting the force for the future. Lead's business model promotes the efficient and effective use of depot resources as a valuable source of support to the warfighter. In order to maintain a competitive edge, the depot has taken measures to improve in various areas, including cost, quality, schedule, and economic protection.
Letterkenny has many years of proven experience on reset missions. We have a highly trained skill base needed to identify, repair, and remanufacture and fabricate nearly all the components to make the product reliable and cost efficient for our customers. Our shops are equipped with over $45 million of state-of-the-art machines in the machine shop, sheet metal weld, and the upholstery fields. We have the ability to make one part or a run of 100,000 parts at very competitive cost, quick turnaround, and to a high degree of quality.
During 2010, 200 vehicles were modernized, repaired, and reset, with no vehicles being returned for rework. These vehicles provided the joint warfighter with the best possible protection in both the Iraq and Afghanistan theaters of operation. As stated by numerous customers, Lead maintained the best welding and repair site for RCVs, or route clearance vehicles, in the entire CENTCOM region.
At Letterkenny, we work on a diversified product line. Of course, our basic line is we are the Army Center of Excellence for tactical missiles and the rebuild of the Patriot system.
Letterkenny Army Depot performs reset and produces new-built force provider modules. Originally intended as a rest and refit base camp for soldiers returning from combat operations, force provider expeditionary base camps have evolved into a force multiplier for all combatant commandos.
In 2002, the power generation branch was a small working group with approximately 20 assets being produced per month. After 9/11, the Army quickly realized there were serious problems with having enough electrical power to supply the warfighter in today's Army. Today's Army requires electrical power for most every system. The generator fleet had aged while the military equipment had advanced. In short, the Army realized they needed an alternate plan to ensure the warfighters had everything they needed. The Army called Letterkenny for a rebuild program of the Army's power generation fleet. Letterkenny turned what most said was impossible into a world-class operation. Our teamwork has made us versatile and extremely flexible option for our customers' needs, from program management to field support of the joint warfighter. Letterkenny's power generation branch. We power the warfighter.
TRMD is a support organization specifically supporting the mission of Patriot Hawk missile systems for the U.S. and our allies. Later this year, we will begin partnership with one of our customers to build the final assembly of the Patriot missile system. Our facility at Red River Army Depot is now closed, as all missions have now moved from Red River to Letterkenny.
Letterkenny Army Depot has a reset program for a wide variety of material handling equipment known as MHE. Not only for the Army, but we also do it for the Marine Corps and the National Guard as well. These assets are cranes that range from 7.5 tons up to 40 tons, 5 cubic yard scoop loaders, forklifts that range from 4K up to 10K, and several variants in between.
Letterkenny is home to 11 major military and civilian tenants. These tenants provide a broad spectrum of technical support to depot missions.
The equipment they're using downrange, it's 24/7 op. The equipment's being used at high tempo. It's wearing out quicker than the Army anticipated, so they're sending it back here to Letterkenny so we can rebuild it, refurbish it, do whatever the equipment's needed so we can get it back to the warfighter.
I'm proud to support the soldier, the warfighter, in an effort of protecting them every day that they're in the field. It's an honor and it's a privilege, but that's what we do.